Might remember this, the Dell Optiplex 7010 that didn't work, so what I got from eBay is a new motherboard. So let's put that in there. Here is the motherboard all laid out. Now this is a Dell Optiplex 7010 something DT, so but hopefully it'll fit in here. I mean, it does have these two ports. This is VG, I don't know what that is, sorry. That's these two, the audio output, four USBs, four USB mix of 2.0 and 3.0. There it is. Two display port. IO shield is in there. I'm not gonna use that. PS2 keyboard and mouse, Ethernet, and two USB 2.0s. Yes, so this should hopefully work in this system. Just gonna open this up. Easy enough, and let's start unscrewing everything that holds the motherboard in. All the cables. There goes the CPU cooler. Now let's remove the RAM, the CPU, and any other cables that are connected like this. Let's get to it. Put all the cables and the CPU and RAM. Now let's get this motherboard out. We finally got the motherboard out of there after a lot of twisting and moving. Anyway, here's the thing. I'm going to remove the parts and put this motherboard in here. I removed the DVD drive, the SSD, and the hard drive. Now let's put this motherboard in here. Motherboard is in, but it's not secured yet. You have to put in these screws. So let's get to that. I'll update after. The board is in and secured. Now let's plug in all the cables. In almost all the cables. The next cables are SATA and CPU fan. But before that, we need to put in the CPU and RAM in here. So let's do that. CPU is in. Now, time for RAM. For one 4 gig stick in of DDR3 1600 megahertz stick in, making this PC have 8 gigs of DDR3 1600 megahertz RAM. I put them in slots 1 and 2 just to make sure they're all tighten up. Yeah, tight. Yeah, they're tight. Now time for the CPU cooler. And okay, CPU cooler is secured. Now you just need to plug it in, which it now is. I don't think you can see, but it's plugged in all the way. Now time for the SATA cables. When SSD connected, now time for the DVD drive. D drive connected. Now let's close it up. Closed up. Front is nice. Side is nice. Let's put this on there and let's plug it in. Now, hopefully it'll work when we plug it in. It's now going to be plugged in. 3, 2, 1. Shit. Well, as you can see, a new motherboard didn't work, so it's probably power supply. It definitely is a power supply. Forgot to put a part back in. Gotta put it in quick. That like detector thing back in. Now hopefully it'll work. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, normally Dell Optiplexes do this. First startup. It works. Yo, I think so. Let me try and turn it on again. The fans are really ramping up. Shit. Yo, holy shit, bro, I fixed it. I need to get this thing connected to a monitor, like, quick. Shut it off. Okay, let's go upstairs and plug it into my monitor. PC is plugged in. When I turn on the surge protector, hopefully this will work. So, in 3, in 2, and then, where's the power button? And then 1. Okay. Monitor turned on. Let's turn it on again. Okay. Fan's loud. Okay, turn off. Okay, turn on. Okay. Let's see if we get a signal. Oh, we did. It's on. It's on. Let's go. Okay, media test failure. Let's reboot it. Hey, what? Okay, maybe there is a bit more to test out. To plug in, maybe. Let's see.